video, I will show you how to generate high quality and realistic images that stay consistent throughout your story while keeping a consistent look for your characters and scenes. For your faceless YouTube channel, your TikTok page, your Instagram page. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also share if you find this video helpful. On your browser, search for Piclumen AI. Click on this first link and you're going to click on Rate for Free. Now you're going to sign up using either your Google account, your Apple ID, or you sign in with your email, but I'm going to go with my Google account. This is how the interface of this website will look. If you see any image or you like the texture of the image, you can always remix it by clicking on the image. This is the prompt they use in generating this image. So you click on Remix and you'll be able to edit the prompt and use it to generate this type of image. Under this Create, this is where we are going to click to create our image, and under this gallery is where all your projects will be saved. The next thing we want to do is to create our story. So I'm going to be using ChatGPT to generate my story, and this is the prompt I enter into ChatGPT. I said I want to write a folktale story about Chiamaka, a young Nigerian woman, blah 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 blah. This prompt will trigger the story. Make sure you are detailed, write everything you want to say, and once you are done, you are going to click enter, and you can see it has helped me to generate the entire story. Provide me with text prompts to generate each character, including their age, which should be above 18, in African attire, dark in complexion, beautiful and handsome faces, tall and other distinctive, and then generated this response for me. Then I said, give me a text prompt to generate each scene and character for the entire story. And now the ChatGPT got my message, and this is the text prompt I was given. Now what I'm going to do next is to copy the entire story, open my Microsoft Word and paste it. And if I put it side by side, I copy the first paragraph and I use it to generate the first scene. And then I copy the second paragraph and I use it to create. Just edit the prompts to suit your story. Well, you know we are using AI and you have to be well detailed to be able to get the most out of AI. Now let's go back to Piclumen page. Click here to add image reference. If you want to use your face to generate the image, your image is going to be like the sample for the image the AI will generate. This is where you can change the texture of your image. But in this case, I'll just leave it at this Piclumen art because it will make it look more natural, like human. And this is where you will change the aspect ratio, either for YouTube, Instagram, or any platform you want to upload it. But in my case, I'll just leave it at 16:9 because that's for YouTube. And this is where you will select how many images you want the AI to generate per prompt. If you want to generate more, you have to. And this is where you click after you finish writing your prompts to generate your image. Now, if you look at this page, these are all the images I've generated for my story so far. To the right hand side, these are all the prompts I use in generating this image. If you generate any image and you want to remove the image background, click on the image, click on remove BG. It's going to remove your image background nicely. To generate the first scene of our story, I'm going to copy my prompt and I'll go back to the page, paste it here. Now we're going to select how many images we want to generate. Select the aspect ratio for the platform you want to upload the image to and click on generate. And you can see the first image has been generated. You can see very nice and neat. For every prompt you want to use, you have to include the character's name. That is the only way this AI can remember who is who. I like this image to the right. One thing you don't want to do is that don't come to the prompt again. Don't come above here to come and write a fresh prompt again, because if you write a fresh prompt, it's going to generate using another face entirely, which is not what you want for your video, because we want a consistent face throughout your image generation. Click on these three dotted lines. So click on remix and we are going to remix using this exact face. I'm going to copy the prompt for scene 2. I'm going to clean the first prompt we use in generating the Chiamaka, the first scene, and you paste the second scene here and you click on generate. And you can see the second scene is ready. You can see the similarity in the face. Now I'm going to click on remix again and I'm going to copy my third scene and I'm going to generate third scene. You can see how nicely the third scene has been generated. So for you to be able to save your image, the image you've generated, click on this icon and your images are going to be downloaded to your device. And after generating your image, you close this page, or you have something you want to adjust, just click on gallery and you select the scene you want to adjust the prompt, or you want to change the character, outfit, or anything. Click on remix and you'll be able to adjust anything that needs to be adjusted in your character. Click on generate and take it to your video editing app. Add your background music, do the voiceover, add effects, add transitions to make it nice. If you want to know how to edit your video using CapCut, I have a full tutorial on how to do that. You can click the link above this video to watch that. So don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also let me know in the comment section if you find this video helpful. Bye for now.